Finastra product line we started out very basic a long time ago with just the core. Is a Phoenix core, and what we did is we did a big gap analysis of some of the functionality we were missing. We put together a roadmap over the last 8 to 10 years on how we were going to fill that, and we leaned towards Finastra products first because we believe in integration instead of interfaces. Very important to integrate instead of interface. Interfaces break, integration keeps going. Some of the drivers that really push us towards the products we try and use and the direction we're trying to give products for our customers is our vision and strategies. We put together a Vision 2020 plan, and we've got very 7 succinct priorities on that. But one of the things I really like about Finastra is they'll listen to us. We're not just another number in the store. They actually take the time and they listen to us, but they expect our feedback. It's not a one-way street. I expect a lot out of them. They expect a lot out of us and Horicon Bank. Like we're talking, the customer experience for the customers is ultimately real important. But for myself and the rest of our staff, I'm a firm believer that if you don't use your products, you can't talk about it and you can't tell your customers about it. So this whole experience thing has to be an experience for the bank as well. You need the bank employees. They got to be able to use this technology, adopt to it, and it's got to be a great experience for them. Our customer experience with Finastra is a very positive relationship. We put a lot of work into it. Just sitting back and watching things happen isn't the way we like to do things. We like to be a little bit more upfront and working with our vendors, and that's very important. So Finastra relationship is probably the highest valued relationship we have right now as far as a vendor relationship, and ensuring that we can do whatever we can to help them be successful is ultimately important, because if they're not successful, we're not successful, and then that translates down into our customer experience won't be successful. We do our diligence and look at things, and we will lean towards them if there's a tiebreaker, or if it's close or something like that. It only makes sense to work with a partner that you worked with in the past. It's not easy establishing relationships with vendors, especially if you want to have a long-term relationship. We've been with these guys since 1999. Hopefully we're here in another 20 years.